Hello guys, this is Gingineer. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, magsasagot tayo ng mga problems to 10 items na problem na ginagamitan ng PEMDAS rule. Okay? So introduce ko muna guys yung PEMDAS before tayo mag-proceed sa solving. Ayan. So yung PEMDAS kasi guys, so order of operation siya, no? And ang acronym niyan, so yung P, siya si parenthesis. Ayan. So, yung E naman, siya si exponent. Yung M is multiplication. Yung D is division. A for addition. And S for subtraction. Ayan. So, ito guys yung order of operation natin, no? Kapag nakakakita tayo ng problem na madaming operations. Siyempre, para hindi tayo malito, hindi tayo maguluhan, alam natin yung uunahin natin, mag-base tayo dito sa PEMDAS. So, mapapansin nyo dito si parenthesis yung nauuna, susunod si exponent. Itong multiplication and division naman guys, interchangeable naman. Basta ang pag-solve mo is from left papuntang right. Okay? Same with addition and subtraction. Pwedeng magkapalit yan. Basta yung pag-solve natin is from left to right. Yun lang naman yung kailangan nating tandaan. Okay, so para mas maintindihan natin guys, apply natin sa first question natin. Evaluate parenthesis 15 minus 3 squared divided by 6 plus 4. Ayan. So, using our PEMDAS rule, so dapat mo una yung mga naka-parenthesis, di ba? Or yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, unahin natin to guys. I-write lang natin. 15 minus 3, that is 12. And then copy natin yung exponent na 2 divided by 6 plus 4. And then next, anong susunod? Exponent. So since may exponent to, siya yung susunod na operation natin. Okay? So 12 squared, same lang naman siya sa 12 times 12. So that is 144. Then divided by 6 plus 4. Ayan. So, 144 divided by 6. Siyempre, mauuna si division kaysa kay addition. So, dito muna tayo. 144 divided by 6, that is 24. Then, copy natin si plus 4. So, final answer natin dito, guys, 28. So, letter C. Okay, question number 2. Evaluate 48 divided by bracket 2 times 3 plus 1 plus 5. Ayan. So, same lang naman guys yung bracket tsaka parenthesis. So, ang kailangan nating unahin dito, based sa PEMDAS rule natin, mauuna yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? So, i-write lang natin ha. 48 divided by, ito, 3 plus 1. So, that is 2 times 4 na. Okay? Yan. So, rewrite lang tayo ng rewrite guys para mas makita natin yung progress nung ano natin, pag-ayos natin nung expression natin. Di ba? So, 48 divided by, ito naman, nasa loob ng bracket, 2 times 4. That is 8 plus 5. Ayan, no? So, mauna naman guys si division before tayo mag-proceed sa addition. So, 48 divided by 8, that is 6. And then, copy plus 5. So, final answer natin dito guys, 11. Ayan. So, letter C. Okay? So, number 3, evaluate. 8 plus bracket 18 minus parenthesis 4 squared minus 7 times 2. So, same pa rin ng concept guys. Yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis, yun yung mga uunahin natin. So, rewrite lang natin to. 18 minus yung mga nasa parenthesis, 4 squared, ilan yan? That is 16 minus 7. So 9. 9 na lang, di ba? Times 2. Okay. So next guys, yung nasa loob ng bracket. So 8 plus, so 18 minus 9, that is 9. Then times 2. Okay. So, yung pag-solve natin guys, tandaan nyo from left to right. Mauuna ang multiplication or division before addition and subtraction. So, from left to right, plus kasi ito guys, no, or addition. So, skip muna natin to. Proceed muna tayo dito sa multiplication. So, 9 times 2, that is 18. Then, copy natin yung 8. So, final answer natin guys, 8 plus 18 or 26. So, letter C. Okay, so question number 4, evaluate 50 minus bracket 4 times parenthesis 3 squared minus 6. Ayan. So, same pa rin naman. 50 minus, so unahin natin guys yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 3 squared. So, that is 9 minus 6. So, 50 minus, ito naman, 4 times 9. That is 36. Then, copy minus 6. 50 minus yung nasa loob ng bracket, 36 minus 6, that is 30. Ayan, so nawala na guys yung bracket. So, 50 minus 30, that is equal to 20. So, letter B. Ayan, so medyo mahaba na to guys. Question number 5, evaluate 300 minus 40 plus 18 divided by 3 times 5 plus 9 minus 4. So, gamit pa rin guys yung PEMDAS rule natin. Lahat ng may parenthesis, sila yung mauunang ma-solve, di ba? So, 9 minus 4, that is 5. Yan. Then, rewrite lang natin guys para mas maintindihan natin, no? So, 300 minus 40 plus 18 divided by 3 times 5. Ito guys, magiging plus 5 na lang. Then, times 4. So, yung pag-solve natin guys, from left papuntang right, mauuna yung multiplication or division before tayo mag-add or subtract. Okay? So, skip muna natin to. Since subtraction, skip natin yan, skip natin yan. Proceed muna tayo dito guys. 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Ayan, then copy muna natin para hindi tayo malito. 300 minus 40 plus 18. Yan, so wala na pala guys si 18, no? Kasi si 18 divided by 3, naging 6 na lang. Plus 6 na lang, and then copy natin yung susunod, times 5, plus 5 times 4. So, yun ulit guys, from left to right, skip natin to. Dito muna tayo. 6 times 5, that is 30. So, isabay na natin to guys, since may addition naman sa gitna nila. So, 5 times 4, that is 20. Ayan. So, may addition na sign dito ha. So, i-rewrite ulit natin. 300 minus 40 plus 30 and then plus 20. So, madali na lang to guys. 300 minus 40 is 260 plus 30, 290 plus 20, that is 310. So, letter B. Next question number 6. Evaluate 120 minus bracket 18 divided by parenthesis 3 plus 3 times 4 plus parenthesis 5 squared minus 3 squared times 2 plus 16. Ayan. So, mauuna guys, using the PEMDAS rule, mauuna yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, so unahin natin tong mga to, no? So, 3 plus 3, that is 6. 5 squared, that is 25. Minus 3 squared, that is 9. Ayan. So, rewrite lang natin guys. Diba? So, 120 minus bracket 18 divided by, magiging 6 na lang to, times 4 plus yung nasa parenthesis 25 minus 9 times 2 plus 16. Okay. So, from left to right, no? So, may mga bracket and parenthesis pa. Sila muna yung mauuna. Okay. So, ito muna yung mauuna from left to right. 18 divided by 6. That is 3. Tapos, copy lang natin to times 4. Ito naman, 25 minus 9. That is 14. Okay. So, rewrite lang natin guys ha. 120 minus 3 times 4 plus 14 na wala na yung parenthesis times 2 plus 16. Okay. So, yung bracket muna. 3 times 4, that is 12. Plus, copy natin yung mga yan. 14 times 2 plus 16. So, from left to right, meron pang multiplication dito. So, ito muna yung mauuna. 14 times 2 guys, that is 28. Yan. So, rewrite lang natin ulit. 120 minus 12 plus 28 na to plus 16. Okay. Then, isolve na lang natin. Okay. So, 120 minus 12 guys, that is 108. 108 plus 28. Ilan yan? 136. 136 plus 16. Yan. So, solve nga lang natin para sure tayo. So, 152. Okay, so letter B. Question number 7, evaluate 250 minus curly braces. So, curly braces yung tawag nito, no? So, 40 divided by bracket 2 times 5 times 15 plus parenthesis 8 squared minus 4 squared. Sabi ko nga kanina, unahin nyo yung mga naka-parenthesis, yung mga naka-bracket, or yung mga naka-curly braces. So, unahin natin to 8 squared, that is 64, minus 4 squared, that is 16. Okay? Dito naman, 2 times 5, that is 10. Rewrite natin ha. 250 minus curly braces, 40 divided by 10. Times 15 plus magiging 64 minus 16 na lang. Okay. So, 250 minus, ito muna yung unahin natin, 40 divided by 10. So, magiging 4. Mawawala na yung curly braces niya. Then, copy times 15 plus 64 minus, ano guys? 64 minus 16. Ilan yan? 48, di ba? Plus 48. Ayan. So, from left to right, may skip to. Dito muna tayo. 4 times 15 muna. Okay? So, 4 times 15, guys, that is 60. 250 minus 60 na, plus 48. Ayan. So, 250 minus 60, that is 190. Plus 48, that is 238. So, letter B tayo. Question number 8. Evaluate 300 minus 72 divided by 4 plus 2 times 5 plus 12 squared divided by 9 minus 15 minus 7 squared plus 20. Ayan. So, unahin natin guys. As usual, yung mga nakaparenthesis muna. So, 4 plus 2, that is 6. 12 squared, that is 144, divided by 9. 15 minus 7, ilan yan? Okay, so that is 8. Huwag kakalimutan, naka-square to ha, andito. So, i-rewrite natin guys para mas malinaw or para hindi magulo. So, 300 minus bracket 72 divided by yung sagot natin dito, 6. Bracket times 5 plus, parenthesis, 144 divided by 9 minus 8 squared plus 50. Ayan. So, may mga parenthesis and brackets pa rin. Yun yung mga mauunang masosolve. Okay? So, 72 divided by 6, guys, ilan yan? That is 12. Diba? Ito naman, 144 divided by 9, ilan yan? Parang hindi ata divisible to ah. Oo, divisible. Okay. So, 154, so 16. So, tama, 16. Okay? So, dito naman tayo, 8 squared, that is 64. So, i-write ulit natin, no? 300 minus, ito naging 12 na lang, times 5 plus, ito naging 16 na lang, minus 64 plus 50. Ayan. So, from left to right, guys, yung pag-solve natin, mauuna itong multiplication. 12 times 5, ilan yan? That is 60. So, i-rewrite ulit natin, guys. Ayan. So, minus 60 Then ito plus 16 minus 64 plus 50. So addition and subtraction lang naman, pwede nang magkabali-baliktad yan. So isolve na natin to. Okay? So 300 minus 60, that is 240 plus ito para hindi magulo, no. So isa-isahin natin. So 340 or 240 ito. 16 plus 50 ilan yan? 66 minus 64. Okay? So ito madali lang i-minus. 66 minus 64, 2, di ba? So 240 plus 2. Yan. So final answer natin guys, 242. Okay, so letter C. Question number 9. Evaluate 350 minus parenthesis 18 divided by 3 times 5 plus parenthesis 10 squared divided by 5 minus 12. So same pa rin guys yung gagawin natin. Mauuna yung mga nakaparenthesis. Ayan. So 18 divided by 3, that is 6. 10 squared, that is 100 divided by 5. Then rewrite lang natin guys ha. 350 minus, ito magiging 6 na. Mawawala na yung parenthesis niya. Times 8 plus parenthesis 100 divided by 5 minus 12. So i-rewrite ulit natin guys. Itong parenthesis, kailangang matanggal yan. 350 minus 6 times 8 plus 100 divided by 5 guys, that is 20. So matatanggal na yung parenthesis niya. Minus 12. So yung pag-solve natin guys from left to right, kailangang mauna yung multiplication or division before addition and subtraction. So skip muna natin tong subtraction guys. Proceed muna tayo dito sa multiplication. So 6 times 8, that is 48. And then rewrite ulit natin 350 minus 48 plus 20 minus 12. So madali na lang to guys kasi yung operation niya addition and subtraction lang naman. Kahit magkapalit-palit na yan. Okay? So 350 minus 48, that is 302 plus 20 minus 12 guys, that is 8. Ayan, so plus 8 lang tayo. So final answer natin guys is 310. So letter C. Okay? So question number 10 guys. So last item. 100 minus bracket then fraction siya, no? 36 over 3 times 2 plus 1 then is squared. So gagamitin pa rin natin guys as usual yung PEMDAS rule natin. So mauna yung mga naka-parenthesis or yung mga naka-bracket, then susunod yung exponent, and then multiplication and division. So interchangeable yan from left to right. Same rin naman siya sa addition and subtraction. Okay. So ayusin natin to, no? Yung naka-parenthesis 2 plus 1, that is 3. So i-rewrite lang natin 100 minus 36 over 3 times 3 na lang. So 100 minus, yan 3 times 3, that is 9. So 36 divided by 9. Then squared. Nasa loob pa rin guys ng bracket, kaya ito pa rin yung uunahin natin. So 36 divided by 9 guys, ilan yan? That is 4, di ba? So 4, mawawala na yung bracket niya, then yung exponent na 2. Ayan. So alam natin guys na ang 4 squared, that is 16. So 100 minus 16, that is equal to 84. Ganun lang kadali, 'di ba? So letter C. So ayun guys, doon natatapos yung ating 10 items na problem na ginagamitan ng PEMDAS, no? So sana natuto kayo, and kung gusto niyo ng mga ganitong klaseng content pa, so mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. So yun lang guys.